Hello guys, have you heard about leverage tokens? So as cryptocurrency investing has evolved, new types of tradable assets have become available. One that has gotten the attention of many investors with a high risk tolerance is leverage tokens. So in Gate.io, the leverage tokens are a type of derivative products that give you access to underlying leverage assets. Like sports token, leverage token can be traded on the sports market. So to go ahead and trade leverage tokens on Gate.io, one thing you have to do first is to sign in to your account, right? So this is the mobile app version of the web.io. There's a web version that you can access through PC. So before you can access this, make sure you've registered. If you have not registered, the link to register is in the description. So once you are in your mobile app, I want you to quickly come here and click on ETF, right? ETF, exchange traded funds. All right, so the price of the different exchange traded funds, or the price of different tokens for the exchange traded fund, is different from the real price. That is what you must understand. So you might be seeing the price of BTC here different from the normal BTC. Hope that makes sense. So a leverage token allows you to take leverage position in a cryptocurrency, meaning your earnings or your losses are multiplied. For example, look at this particular token here. Let us use DYDX3L. So DYDX3L actually means DYDX3 long. All right. So just like we have DYDX3L, we also have DYDX3S. All right. So 3S means what? 3 short. What this now means, DYDX3L is the 3-time leverage long bullish DYDX token. All right. So what you also have to notice is that if the YDX token moves by 1%, the YDX3 long will move by 3%. Is that right? So also if it retraces by 1%, so the YDX3 short will retrace by what? 1%. Does that make sense? So with that said, let us go ahead to see how we can trade any of these exchange tokens. So what you will notice is that once the market is green and you bought any of the exchange traded fund or any of the leverage token, all right, so each of your profits will be multiplied by the underlying value, whether 3 long or 3 or 5 long. Is that right? So because what you have here is 3 long, and once you go down you start seeing 5 long and all that. So you also have a combination of 3 short and 5 short. Right? So it is different from the normal margin or your normal futures trading where you have to borrow funds and you can be liquidated. So leverage token is to some extent safer, right? But when you look at it deeply, you notice that if you are not careful, you might lose more than you gain. So always be very careful and know that you understand what you are doing before trading leverage tokens as this. Okay, so supposing I want to trade, which one should we go for now? So curve 3L. So supposing I want to long curve and I'm thinking maybe the price will go higher, I'll just click on it, just like you trade your normal spot. You click on trade. So when you click on trade, this warning comes up. Curve 3L USDT pair trading tip. Warning: this is the 3 long curve trading product. The funds are managed in the perpetual futures contract market. So you can understand and continue, or you can disagree and leave. So I understand. So whenever I see a warning like this, always go through it. So let us look at the charts, and it brings up to this place. Right, almost nothing is happening here because this chart looks so scanty for the 5-minute charts. Okay, this is the 1 hour chart. Is that right? So if eventually curve is going to move, and if you actually bought curve 3L, then you notice that the normal move for curve will be multiplied by 3, supposing you are on the leverage token. Does that make sense? So you can just look at the chart, then know when to long or when to short. But in this case, we can actually long from here because it has almost bottomed out. Alright, so it has almost bottomed out, but it's likely to still retrace. Wow, look at that chart, look at that chart. Alright, so we can still long from here. So you can click on buy, just like you buy your normal tokens on spot. Alright, so if you are not familiar with Gate.io exchange, we made several videos on how to use the mobile app. Go ahead to click the video up there now. So you select whether it is limit order or conditional order or time condition order. But for this video, we'll be using limit order. We made video on how to use conditional order, time condition order. Click the link up there now to see how. So definitely you want to buy low and sell high. Is that right? So you indicate how many of the curve that you want to buy. Actually, right now my USDT that I have is locked because I've used it on some certain trades, so I can't make use of it now. But this is just to illustrate to you what to do. But it's actually as if you are buying your normal sports crypto assets. So you determine the price you want to buy with, okay, by clicking any of the guys in the order book. The price will be filled accordingly. Then you can click on buy. So when you click on buy, your order will be placed. Is all right? Then eventually it will be carried out if the price gets to that level. So that is the little about exchange traded fund that you have to know, or what some other people call leverage token. Hope you got value in this video. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section below. Also, like and share this video to as many crypto enthusiasts that I can think of. Support our channel by smashing the subscribe button right now. All that was said is not financial advice. Always do your own research. Peace out.